So our unit's mission is to provide fire support for all the other forces out here using the M109 Paladin self-propelled howitzer.
So basically what it does is it provides ammunition or any kind of rations to the Paladin, so it keeps it up in the fight and keep us shooting, moving, and communicating at all times. Well, it's definitely an experience I didn't expect at first. There were whispers when we were in Europe that we were getting new vehicles, but I wasn't sure about it. But once I found out that it was true, I got pretty excited about it because, I'm always up for new experiences and stuff like that, so it was a good idea, in my opinion, to just study up on it beforehand, and just seeing all the new upgrades, it's really exciting as an artilleryman. I'd say the biggest upgrade would definitely be the smart display unit, which is short for the SDU. So basically what that is for maintaining the vehicles, which is probably the most important part of the vehicles, is maintenance. So the SDU is able to tell us exactly what is wrong with the vehicle if something happens, and that can be anything from mechanical to electrical or anything of that matter. So not only will it show us what's wrong with the vehicle, it can give you possible causes of what caused the fault, and then it can give you, you can isolate the fault, and you can also give troubleshooting procedures to that as well, which it'll provide pictures, and it makes it foolproof. So maintenance has never been easier. I'd say in the current world situation, showing how we are able to modernize an entire brigade in such a short period of time just shows a tiny bit of the capabilities of the United States Army. So that's pretty impressive that it can still keep up and keep everything back in the fight. We were able to sustain the vehicles, Paladins in particular. We're able to supply them with ammunition, keep us in the fight, shoot, move, communicate. We're able to shoot where we need to shoot, get out of there, and move to the next spot without having to deal with many issues at all. It sends a message to the world, like, we are ready for anything, and it shows even with challenges that we're given or like training that we get, we're able to pick stuff up and learn it. Like, we are really fast learners. That's definitely what I've picked out of all of this, is that we're able to get vehicles here, we're able to train up on them, and we're able to use them and be proficient at them within a very short period of time.